Weekly cleaning is recommended to keep your Vicks filtered cool mist humidifier running efficiently. Before cleaning, turn off and unplug the humidifier. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a flat, water-resistant surface near a faucet. Follow this two-step cleaning process to remove scale and disinfect your humidifier. Both steps are important and must be performed separately. Remove and empty the water tank along with any accessories. Next, remove the filter and set aside. Pour 2 cups of vinegar into the water tank. Replace the cap and swish in a circular motion. Place the tank on the base. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. After soaking, remove the tank, unlock the tank cap and pour vinegar in the sink. Rinse the water tank and filter tray thoroughly with water to remove the scale and until the smell of vinegar is gone. Wipe the base thoroughly. Next, put on gloves to begin the disinfecting process. To disinfect, dilute 1/2 teaspoon of bleach in 1/2 gallon of cool water. Pour the solution into the water tank and replace the cap. Carefully replace the tank on the base. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. After soaking, carefully empty the bleach solution from the tank and base into the sink. Using a cloth, wipe the base and rinse the tank and filter tray with water until the smell of bleach is gone. Your humidifier is now clean and ready to be used. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.